gonna dump everything in here, so a few cloves, not too much because it's really strong. Some chicken seasoning, some thyme, and then we'll be doing a plum sauce for this. I'm going to be covering this in the baking tin and bake it for say about 45 minutes. Then I'm going to remove the covering. Now I'm adding some ginger. Ginger is always good for my chicken. And a touch of parsley. So I'm going to be taking off that cover after about 45 minutes of these baking, and all the juice and stuff will run out, and it cooks the inside better. So when I remove it, I'm going to take the wings out, and then I'm going to put some plum sauce on it. Put this aside, grab a baking tin. Alright, so now I'm just wrapping the baking tin as you can see. I prefer to wrap it because when I don't, it's really hard to clean the baking tin. And I hate doing this. Love to cook, love in the kitchen, but I hate wash dishes. They normally do that part for me. Now I'm just gonna lay my wings in. Alright, so that's how it looking right now. It doesn't have any color, which is expected. So it's been in the oven now for about 50 minutes. And I'm going to pour off this water. And the only reason I'm pouring it off is because I'm not making my own sauce. Generally, I would make my own sauce. But I saw this plum sauce that I want to try. So I'm going to pour this off and then put on the plum sauce and put it back in the oven without any covering. This is what I'm going to be using. Alright, I'm just going to pour this on. And the wings, it's not spicy. So I'm going to, the only thing I'm going to do is to add some cayenne pepper to it to get just a tad bit of spice. And then the cayenne pepper on this. And I'm gonna just use my fork and use my fingers. It's hot. What I'm going to do now is just pop it back in for, I'd say, another 30 minutes. I'm just gonna pop it back in the oven and I'll see you when it's done.
Chicken wings are done. Baked wings. Layering straight into it. These are so moist, yo. If you follow how Tash did it.
Baby, you can't speak.
No ketchup needed, nothing. Just the sauce and proper baking time. Perfect.
It just slides off the bone, right?
Right off. You see? 2 bites. 2 bites. Awesome.
Yep. And that's them with one gone.
Amazing.
Keep in mind, this is for the road tomorrow. Okay?
Alright. Alright. Tasha's homemade sauce with the molasses and all that good stuff. I think it's better than the sauce off the shelf because I guess the original ingredients is richer. And of course, you put some love into it. You get the fat? Come a bit, watch out. Tash doing this to me.